Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Have you been searching for a legit websites to earn money from, just by you watching ads, or performing tasks like Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Twitter followers, Twitter retweets, YouTube views, YouTube likes and so on? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show 3 legit and verified websites you can earn free money from with simple tasks. It require no money or investment. All you need is your smartphone or PC connected to the internet, and you start earning daily. Before we start, do subscribe to this channel, and comment free dollars, so I will know you guys are ready to make money online. Let's get started. Number 1 website is Coinpayyou.com. On this website, you can earn crypto just by you watching ads, doing offers. All you need to start earning is to click on register button, fill in your details and click create account. I already had an account. Let me quickly log in and show you guys my dashboard. On my dashboard, I have 13 Satoshi. To earn Satoshi, just coming here at your left side, click on view ads, and click on one category. Here you will earn Satoshi, just by viewing ads for some seconds. There are so many websites, you can view and earn Satoshi. To earn more, click on offers. You can earn more by doing surveys and so on. Now, let me show you guys payment proof. Here are proof that this website is actually paying its users. You can see, this user withdraw 11,000 Satoshi, next is 15,000 Satoshi and so on. We can see the recent date. Let's click on the address, to confirm the transaction, maybe it's real or not. We can see this transaction is 100% real. All you need to earn Satoshi on this website, is to view ads and do offers. They are real and paying their users. The second website is surf.be/earn. On this website you can make money online without investing just by you performing simple tasks, and withdrawals are available at 3 cents. You can earn this just by viewing ads, viewing websites, watch videos, and earn on affiliate. You can do all this on your smartphone or PC. Anyone can make money from this website. It is real and verified website to earn money online. Create account and log in to start earning money for free. The last website is everveNET, and this website is a social media exchange platform where you can make money just by completing tasks, signing with your Google account. On your dashboard, this is my balance. I just created this account now. Here you can add funds, withdraw funds, and check your transactions history. Then slide to your side and click on tasks categories. You can see there's so many tasks available to perform: Instagram followers, Twitter followers, Twitter retweets and so on. Click on Twitter followers, to check the amount you will earn per task. For each completed task, you will earn $0.0010. Let's check out Twitter retweets. Here you will earn $0.0009 per task. Performing this tasks will make you at least $50 in a month. To earn more, you can join contest or refer people as many as you can. This is a legit and verified website to earn money for free. So, these are the 3 websites you can make money from just by you performing simple tasks at your free time. If you gain value, please kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks for watching.